My world got so quiet when you broke my heart. Everywhere I walk, I see your face, can't get away from you. Tried to save you from the rest, instead you straight up buried me. Now I'm sitting here, I'm loaded up like a PS2. Now I'm frozen if I'm spitting body like a freezer dude. Creeping in the winter, teeth and drip within the beaches, getting crippled, me to Jack the Ripper. I've been sitting in the mode, ripping open packages on everything I eat. Catches when I sleep, deer sleeping when I sleep. Haunted house where I meet, I can see the soul screech, I can see the leaves change every time beaming breeze. Water leaking, darkest season, often bleeding back up off of me. All these floors creaking, I was sleeping in my bedroom. Post-apocalyptic dreams, now I guess my head's doomed. Dead flowers on the lawn, car alarm screaming. Trees start to shed leaves, jump start beaming. Battery is dead, turn me into some incense. Mix me with some smoke, burn my body like a candle. Leave me all alone in the world I can't handle. Watching every shadow, I'm ready for some change. Flames outside, I see souls with no face. So away, I will go. All the faces that I've known, all these wars within my body that I really can't control. All this happiness just left me, my fear takes control. I'm a corpse with no energy and everything is torn. It's a creature in my head and it lurks and it's loud and it tampers with my soul as it wanders around. And I panic and I breathe as my self-control leaves. See the world fall down as the snows feel the breeze. Beaming, he can't feel a thing and his eyes get weak. To the public I'm alive, but inside there's a ghost. So just let me shut my eyes as the world drops dead. As I slowly lift them up, everything is born again. Crush my black and white limbs, looking like some Oreos. Just another nightmare, yeah, that's how the story goes. We can let the willow weep while pillows dripping, dealing sleep. You left a young man slain, blood stains on the floor. Left his body stiff and cold, wind screams against the door. Spirit sleeping, let me go. We are frozen alone as I climb up out the bed. Gray skies in the windows, long sleep.